See, man, I want to learn Spanish.
Yeah, he did. I think he did get it back.
I thought she's me bad shit.
Yeah, he had a bunch of Fast and Furious 1, the turbocharged version.
Yo, what the fuck? Oh look. Oh look. They made friends. What the fuck?
I don't even park my channel.
Oh shit.
Park like
I think that's my neighbor. Crazy.
Crazy.
In what?
She be driving around the neighborhood crazy. Like she almost hit like a couple of kids. Crazy motherfucker. I'm sorry. I'm vlogging.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at Sparkles.
That's actually not a bad rap. The oil slick. I don't know if I could do it.
No. Oh, he came back. Sparkles. Sparkles. Did she just picture it? Hey, I'm about to translate this shit. That's what I'm gonna do.
I got this kid in my neighborhood that's always, every time he sees me, zipping in and out of the neighborhood, flying in his Hyundai Elantra.
Don't be hating.
I think it's a
I'm sorry, it's shaky. That's not nice.
They look at us like,
Hold on, wait, what?
I'm calling. And then I'm like, yo, what happened? He's like, yo, what happened, man? What are you talking about? I'm like, church rolls, Slim. It's a straightaway. Well, nobody don't really see nothing. He said, nah, man, I thought you talking on the road.
who's the fuck, yeah?
Okay, let me take my phone
Yo, I love this guy.
I'm like, I don't waste gas for nothing. It's gas.
Vinny, this could be you, but you don't come out to the car meets. Hey, don't flash me. I'm tired of your shit. You following me? Woo! Hey, hey. That's what I said. Look.
Haters gonna hate.
Haters gonna hate. Oh shit! I didn't even know anybody was in there. Oh. Oh! That's the homie, I think. Oh shit, he fixed it. I'm fucking running.
Celica.
Run,
Hurry up. First I thought it was a super footage.
He just what a cola he just beat? VTEC, no tech, VTEC Team Honda.
Look at that shit. You know how hard that is? Actually, I do want to go see it.
Oh, I don't see it.
Okay, let's go. Fuck it. There's already a circle of people.
He's got more crowd than that McLaren guy did at the cross.
Yeah. No, what the fuck? I guess we're good. Pop the hood. Fuck it, I'm following. Oh, that's battle the leader.
Gang. Still gang, because he's family, but gang. Long.
Yeah. Go ahead. Actual trying to get it. Nah, he don't.
What the fuck?
Damn. Oh, they not making.
Look at this shit. Like one car, bro. Owner. That's the owner.
Very unconventional. The amount of people surprised with this home. He about to go for the ride of his life.
Are you serious?
Yeah. That's right.
So I want to do that, but how do you ask?
So, you just gotta, but see, they cool with each other, they know each other.
Oh, shit! Doing that shit off. Add me on Instagram. I mean Snapchat. I'm gonna steal your car. I'm gonna steal it. Oh look, they're leaving us. Traitors. Oh shit!
But I think like, I want to start but the down payment up front
She's fucking crazy. Don't tell her that, she's fucking crazy.
That's a V6 or a V8?
She's a nut.
I feel like she about to do something stupid.
I'm just gonna record her ass.
everybody's leaving. I'm leaving.
No, this is go ahead, go. I'm black
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.